Hey, all right. I got this Vosteed knife they sent me. Wanted me to do a review on it. This is the Vosteed Raccoon. Looks like it's a 14C28N, satin blade, black micarta handle. Never had one of these. I do have this Vosteed. It's a nice little knife. So, love that textured micarta on there. It's fantastic. So let's get this open. Look at that. Wow. That is some crazy good packaging. It's a metal container, raised, embossed, some kind of probably powder coat logo. Very nice. Wow. They really went all out on this for sure. Let's see what we got in here. The bottom. Holy smokes. Look at all the goodies in here. Warranty card. Very good. Very cool little patch. Ho ho. You know what those are, right? Some Omega springs. It's good to see a company doing that. Tough luck, Benchmade. You're not doing what you're supposed to. Cool. What else we got here? Dead or Alive, Wanted. Cool little sticker there. Very nice little microfiber cloth. Let's set this over here. And ooh, nice red interior there, very eye-catching. What do we got? Indeed. A little logo there. Can you see it? Micarta's very grippy. Feels like good quality micarta. Nice little back spacer there. Let's go. Wow, blade is gorgeous. Look at how deep that grind is. Very small markings here, subdued by being small and next to the edge. Love that it says Vosteed like that. Very cool font there. Raccoon. 14C28N. Look at how shiny that guy is. I'm not going to use the microfiber here. I'm going to wipe this oil off. Wow. Great looking blade on that. Get the markings there for you. Just a nice looking knife overall. This thing retails, I want to say it's about 60 bucks, just under. So well within the budget mark. This thing is nice. It's got a very nice action. Look at that. That is incredible. Yeah, you could keep that in your pocket and constantly just be in and out flipping that thing open. It's got a very good action to it. Fantastic little knife. Feels good in the hands too. I mean, look at that. I mean, let's look at some of these other ones here. This is my favorite action knife here with the Axis style lock crossbar. It is not quite as good. The Raccoon is not as good as this real steel Sakura. It has a better action by far, but I haven't come across anything that has a better action than this real steel. But it is far better than the Benchmade bug out here. Everybody's familiar with that size. Definitely think the blade on this it's got a lot of curvature there. Probably better than the bug out in my opinion as far as a good blade for utility use. One of my all-time favorites here is this Asher Knives Sentry 3.0. Excellent action on that as well. This is a little bit outside the price range of the bug out, or as like the bug out is, and comparatively to the Raccoon, but very similar in size for sure. One of my other favorites. I love this knife. It's got a great action. Machinary. Say this. I couldn't tell you that this was at all anything to be ashamed to carry in or buying. This would make a great gift for anybody. This would make a great daily carry. Certainly something you could pick up and buy, throw it in a backpack, throw it in your glove box of your truck, or I mean, just give it to your wife, or if you wanted to, or have her keep one in her purse just so there was always an extra one floating around. You can't go wrong with this for this price. This is incredible. And 14C 28N is just fantastic steel for a budget knife. Just gotta love it. Love the thumb studs on this too. I'm glad it doesn't have the flipper on it. I hate it when they try to get too much going on some of these. This looks like they put a lot of thought into this design, and it's a perfect thing here. Perfect. Definitely fits what it was designed for, and I think that's just an overall good, well-designed knife with quality parts and materials for a budget price. And I would encourage anybody to run out and get one. Full disclosure, they did send this to me, and it's not going to sway my opinion on any of this. I'd tell you if it was junk. I would definitely tell you that if it was junk, because I don't like people wasting money. But this is not. This is the kind of thing where I'm like the first Civivi I ever bought. I was so impressed. I just can't believe the kind of quality of materials that are coming out for budget knives. So much different than it was 15 to 20 years ago. We're so lucky this day and age to have manufacturers putting out knives like Vosteed, Civivi, I think Kaiser. Just incredible actions, incredible materials. Just hard to complain about what we have at our fingertips these days for the kind of money that they're asking us to pay for stuff. You just can't go wrong. What is that? Neat pivot, kind of contouring there with the flat edges on it. Interesting for sure. Not going to do a disassembly on this. I think it's a great knife, and I think you could really enjoy using something like that. What a great opportunity to do this. Thank Vosteed very much for this, reaching out to me, and tell people about the knives you buy, folks, and tell them how great they are, because it only makes our community better as a whole when we have real folks talking about real knives in a real way. And even though you may not have a very big reach, and I don't have a very big reach either, if you tell people about the quality that you're getting for the money, they're going to go out and buy more of them. And you know what that does? Manufacturers just put out more. We get more options. It's a better thing for all of us as a whole. And good stuff here. I'd be proud to own this, and I think I don't own a lot of Vosteeds, and maybe I need to get some more of them, because the Corgi I enjoy, and I believe I was kind of excited to see that some of the other stuff that they've gotten out recently too. So I definitely need to get my hands on some more Vosteed knives. So I'll leave it at that, folks. Go out and grab one of these. Fantastic. Wow. Good quality knife there. Thanks for tuning.